viewers, welcome back to Globe Investment. In this channel, you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video, I am going to give you buy calls. So before going to buy calls, I would like to welcome all the new members who are new to this channel. So firstly, I'll give a brief introduction about this channel. So as I told, in this channel, you'll be getting free trade calls. So when I say free trade calls, so obviously for everyone, you'll be having a doubt like how accurate and how fair are these trading buy calls which I'm giving, and how accurately they are going to reach the buy calls. So that's why I'll say that these are record of all the trading calls which I have given till now. Okay, till now I think by this video it will become 122 buying calls which I have given, or the trading calls which I have given. So what you can do is you can select any of the trading calls I have given. So for example, yeah, before going to that, I'll say that what are these color codings. So the ones which is like mentioned whole in yellow color are the stocks whose all three targets got achieved. Okay, now suppose if you take this India Mart, it's not like highlighted in yellow because it got only achieved the first two targets which I have given. Until the third target is not achieved, that's why it's in white color. So those stocks which have achieved all the three targets, they'll be highlighted in the whole yellow color, and you can find the date on which I have given the buy call, and the stock name, and the buying price at which you need to buy this stock, and the T1, T2, T3. Normally I'll be giving 3 buy calls. Okay, I mean like 3 targets. So, and also you'll be able to see like on which date this target which I have given got achieved, and this is a percentage return. So what you can do is you can select any of the stock. Suppose if you select the science stock, okay, or else if you select the Bharti Airtel stock, any of the stock, and see I have given the buy call for the stock on of Bharti Airtel on 27th of 4th month with a buying price of 531, with the first target of 549 and the third target of 568, and this third target got achieved on 7th of 5th month. So now what you can do is you can just go to your any of your trading platform and go to this date on 27th, and you can see what was the price, and also you can see on 7th of 5th month whether it has like crossed this 568 target or not. Then by that only you'll be able to understand like how accurate are my trading calls, and this is the percentage return which you'll be getting based upon my trading calls. So what you just need you to do is like I'll say the formula in order to get this percentage return. Those who don't know, for them it is, so just minus this like final price, that is 568 minus 531 divided by 531 into 100, you'll be getting this percentage return. Okay, now as I given the introduction is over part, now we'll discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. So till now recently, I mean not the past one, this recent one. Okay, so we'll see where are the recent ones. So yes, so these are the recent ones. So HDFC Life, I have given the buy call on 3rd of this month of buying price of 730, and it got achieved the first target of T1, that is 740 on 6th of this month itself, giving us a percentage rate of 1.36. And the next is Bajaj Electrical Stocks. I have given the buy call for this stock on 2nd of this month with a buying price of 1170, and the first target being 1230 and the third target being 1268, and it achieved all the three targets within a very short span of time, giving us a percentage return of 8.37%, friends. Okay, and the next one is Symphony. I have given the buy call for this one on 2nd of this month with a buying price of 950 with a T1 of 997, and this got achieved on 7th of this month, giving us a percentage return of 4.94. And the next is LIC Housing Finance. I have given the buy call for this stock on 6th of last month, the buying price of 405, and the first target being 412 and the second target being 425, and this 425 got achieved on 7th of this month, giving us a percentage return of 4.93. Now we'll check for among these for one or two stocks. Okay, we'll go to the market platform. So it's the Bajaj Electrical Stocks. So if you can see clearly, as I told, we'll see on which date the third target got achieved on 6th of this month, 1268. It crossed 1268. So this is being the 6th of this month. On the downside of the graph, you can see this is the date. On the right side, you can see the price. Okay, on 6th of this month, it went till 1289.5, and my target was 1268. It was the third target and went a lot high, friends. So those who have followed till that price, for them it's a bumper, like they would have got easily 10% of returns, friends. Okay, and if you want to select any one other more, okay, we'll see for this SBIN. Okay, SBIN also it got achieved, no? So we'll check for that one also. Wait a minute. Yes, so for the SBIN, the first target got achieved on 3rd of this month, and I've gained the buy call on 2nd. The T1 got achieved on 1st, like next day itself. That is 433. We'll see. So this is being 3rd, and we'll check on 3rd. Yes, you can clearly see it went till 434.2, and my first target was 433. That means it crossed the first targets. So like this, friends, what you can do is you can go to your respective trading platform. On the graph, you can see, you can select any of the date and you can cross verify it. So by that you can you'll be getting an assurance like how accurate are my trading calls. Okay, So now we'll go to today's buying calls, friends. So among them, the first one is PVR, next is HEROMOTORS, next is CENTURYPLY, next is RPSG Ventures, and these are the next stocks today which I'm going to give the buy calls. Among these stocks, already I have given I have given in the Telegram channel. Yeah, those who does not know regarding my Telegram channel, in the description box you'll be able to find the link to join the Telegram channel. So in the Telegram channel you'll be finding you'll be getting live updates regarding the markets and the buying calls I'm giving, and trend of the market also I'll be sharing. Okay, and so it's better you people can join the Telegram channel from the link description link itself. And one more thing which I would like to say, which I forgot to say before going to the buy calls, that see, like I have given these many buy calls till now. Okay, so like suppose if you take the Gokesh stock, like most of the people, there are like more than 6,000 plus stocks in the share market, and obviously even I don't know about it, like regarding each and every stock in the market, right? So obviously you people will also be not knowing like what are buy calls I'm giving. I mean, you may not be knowing like which sector stock it belongs to and what stock that particular stock is. Suppose if you take this Gokesh stock, so obviously like most of the people will not be knowing regarding this stock, or VSSL stock. You don't even know the full form, or and like which sector, whether it belong to automobile sector, pharma sector, IT sector, you don't know. Okay, but you people, like those who are investing in the share market, obviously they'll be having some general knowledge, or they'll be seeing the general news regarding like how the trend is, like whether which sector now it's booming, like whether it's IT sector or the pharma sector is going well. So you'll be having that news, right? So normally I'll be giving 4 to 5 to 6 buy calls in a video. So in order to select which one you need to invest in, you may be knowing that okay, this like I want to invest in IT stocks, or yeah, I want to invest in pharma stocks. So among the stocks which I have given, so you may not be knowing which stock that like sector belongs to. That's why in the description box you can find a brief description regarding the each and every stock which I'm giving the buy call, friends. Okay, so I'll suggest and I insist that please read the description box where like regarding the stocks which you want to invest, because when we are investing in that amount, like the amount in that particular stock, obviously we should knowing at least in which sector it belongs to and what that stock is, right? So that's why I'll in each and every video I'll be giving regarding that stock like brief description, like what stock that belong to. Okay, so yes, and whenever I'm giving the like buying calls, I'll be seeing the fundamentally like recently any like good results came for that company or not, and also I'll be doing the technical analysis on based on that I'll be giving the buy calls, friends. Yes, now we'll go to the buy calls. So if you take the PVR, so for the buying price you need to get this one is 1370, and the first target is being 1417, second target 1470, and the last target is 1500. And also I say that like short-term traders or mid-term traders, please book their profits like at T1 or T2 itself, because I'll say why the reason also. If you can see now, take off right stock. Okay, this I've gained the buy call on 10th of 7th month. Okay, at the buying price of 282. See, the second target got achieved, but till now the third target hasn't got achieved, and it went back. So that's why like most of the stocks, like almost you can see that like almost all the majority of the stocks, all the three targets got achieved in my trading calls. But there'll be very few stocks, and yes, there will be few stocks that all the three targets will not be getting achieved like in the short span. They will be achieved in the long span, in the long run, but in the short or mid term they may not get achieved. That's why like like if you take this India Mart stock, here it is, the India Mart stock. I have given the buy call for this stock on 8250. You need to get this one, and it got achieved all the two targets until it crossed the second target, but it didn't reach the like third target of 9500. From there it fell down to 7000, and again just I mean in the last week it again crossed 9000. So that's why I'll say the safe traders, please book their profits at T1 or T2 itself, friends. Okay, and yes, so the previous stock you got the targets, and the next one is HEROMOTORS. Yes, currently the automobile sector stocks are down. Almost all the automobile sectors are down. Already in the previously in my video I have given the buy call for Bajaj Motors also. Okay, and now I also given for Tata Motors also, you can see here, and now I'm giving for HEROMOTORS, because this is the best time to invest in like what the automobile sector stocks, because they already fell down from their highs long back, and they were in the correction till now, and they are now raising back. So it's a like perfect time to buy the automobile sector stocks. So the HEROMOTORS, you need to get this one at 2780, the first target being 2866, the third target being 3000. And the next one is CENTURYPLY, you need to buy this one at 408, and these are the three targets, 440 being the third target. And the next one is RPSG Ventures. The buying price for this one is 765. Yes, and I forgot the time frame to say, friends. Sorry for that. So for the PVR stock, the time frame for this one is roughly around 3 to 4 months friends for the PVR. And the Hero Motor stock, the time frame for this one is around 4 to 6 months. And for the CENTURYPLY stock, the time frame for this one is around roughly you can take out like 1 to 2 months, 440 being the third target. And the RPSG venture stock, so for this one the time frame is being like 1 to 2 months, and the buying price you need to get this one is 765, and 800 being the first target and 820 being the third target. And next one is VGuard. So we got the buying price for this one is 260 and the third target being 288, and the time frame for this one is around 2 to 3 months friends. And the next one is Indigo. And also this Indigo stock, all the aviation sector like sector stocks are also down, like Indigo, SpiceJet and all, but Jetways and all. But now because of, and that's because of COVID, you all know that part. It's not the company is bad, but because of COVID, like all the international flights were down. That's why the aviation sector also is down. So now already the COVID is being gone, like it's over, it's end. So all people be safe. It's not like the COVID is over, but maintain your precautions and all. Yes, coming back to the topic. So the aviation sector now it's growing back again. Among them, the aviation sector, the Indigo is one of the best stock. So you can buy this one at 1900 price, and the first target being 1944, and the third target being 2000. And the last one in this one is NMDC. Yes, already in the previous in my videos I have given the buy call for NMDC, but at a price of 180, but it fell down. A small correction came in the steel sector, that's why it fell down. But NMDC is a perfect stock. I mean, in the it belongs to PSU sector in the steel sector, so you don't need to worry about that stock at all. Those are already bought based upon my trading call in the previous like videos or 180, they can please hold it. You'll be getting good returns on it. Currently it's in like correction, and now it's showing again the gaining back. So I'm giving the buy call for this one at 151 price, and the 160 being the first target, 181 being the third target. So if when it comes to third target, obviously those who are getting like buying at this price, they'll be getting 20% minimum returns friends. Okay, so now we'll discuss regarding the technical charts. As I told already, for few stocks like PVR and Hero Motors, I've already shared the charts and the NMDC also in the Telegram channel. So those who want the charts for those, they can join the channel and they can see there itself. And now we'll go for the remaining stocks for the technical analysis. Yes, so the first one is being the VGuard. So now we'll count how many buy signals we are getting, based upon which I have given the buy call. Okay, so let me just drag this side. Yes, so if you can see the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line, we are getting one buy signal. The RSI, it should be above 60, it is 63.7, so one more buy signal. The MACD, the black color line should be above the red color line, it's there, so one more buy signal. The ADX, it's showing upward direction trend, yes, so that's why one more buy signal. The Bollinger Bands got expanded and the candles also near the upper band, one more buy signal. The dark color blue line is above the black color line, the 20 mm moving average line, so one more buy signal. The sky blue color line is also above the red color line, so one more buy signal friends. The super trend, it's in green color, one more buy signal is under count. And the candles are also above the cloud, and we need to see whether the gray color line is above the candles or not. Yes, if you can see here, this gray color line normally it will be behind 15 candles. Yes, and it's above the candles itself. Yes, so one more buy signal. So we're getting overall more than 5 to 6 buy signals friends, so this is a perfect buy call stock that we got. So next one is our PSG venture stock, so we'll see. And the time frame for this one, as I already told previously, the time frame for this one would be roughly around 3 months, something like that. So the RPSC stock, if you take the vertex, we're getting one buy signal. The RSI, we're getting buy signal as it is 68.7. And the MACD, that black color line is above the red color line, one more buy signal. You can see the ADX already started in the upward direction trend. The Bollinger Bands got already expanded here. You can see the super trend also, from here it became green, so one more buy signal. The lines, or the dark color blue line and the sky blue color lines, are above there from their respective lines. The candles are also above the cloud, and the gray color line, yes, you can see here clearly, the gray color line is above the candles. So we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals friends, so this is a perfect buy call stock. So the next one being CENTURYPLY stock, we'll see. We need to change the time frame for this one, as for this it's a more time frame. Yes, so if you can see here, the vertex one buy signal, RSI it's counting as a buy signal, MACD the buy, it's counting as a buy signal, the ADX moving in the upward direction trend, so one more buy signal we can count. And this Bollinger Bands got expanded here itself. The candles are also near the upper band. The dark color blue line is above the red color line, the black color line. The sky blue color line is above the red color line. And the super trend, yes, it's in green color. From here itself it started turning into green. And we need to see the gray color line. Yes, so here the gray color line, it's above the candles. So this also perfect buy call stock as we are getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. And the last stock which we will be discussing regarding the technical charts is for Indigo. Wait a minute, I'm just changing the time frame. So yes, so if you can see here, vertex buy signal, RSI we're getting as a buy signal, the MACD we're getting as a buy signal, ADX it's showing upward trend, the Bollinger Bands got expanded, the candles are also near the upper band side itself. Okay, the super trend it's in green color, the dark color blue line is above the black color line, the sky blue color line is also above the red color line, and the candles are above the cloud. We need to see the gray color line. Yes, the gray color line is also above the candles. So we're getting more than 5 to 6 buy signals, friends. So you can happily buy this stock also. You don't need to worry at all. Just now, friends, what I have discussed is a technical analysis on which I have given buy calls. So those who does not have knowledge regarding those technical charts, they don't need to mind at all, because it's for those who are having some knowledge regarding the charts and all. And those who does not have, they can just simply follow the trading calls which I have given based upon my buying calls. So once again, I'm saying please check the previous trading calls I have given. This is a Excel sheet. I'm slowing it scrolling so that you can select any of the stock which I mentioned previously, whose targets got achieved, and you can cross verify them, how fair the targets got achieved. By that itself we'll be knowing how accurate are my trading calls, friends. Okay, finally it's up to you, your money. So whether you want to invest based upon my trading calls or not, because obviously one thing which I can say is no analyst can give you 100% of accuracy that like what your call is giving, surely it will get achieved. So but based on till now, you can see these are like 125th buy call which have been by till now. So you can see how many ones, all the three targets, not even one or two, all three targets got achieved, friends. So it's up to you whether you want to like follow my trading calls or not. And before investing, please, if you are having any financial advisor also, you can consult them. Okay, and please like, subscribe, and also share to your friends whom want to get profits like you. And also join the Telegram channel to get live updates regarding the market trend and also the stocks, and which I'm giving here, the buy signals or the sell signals which I'll be giving. And also yes, in this channel you'll be getting like buy calls for cryptocurrencies too. If you can see here, the engine coin, EOS, Avalanche, Matic, these are all the cryptocurrencies. So whenever it's correct time to buy the cryptocurrencies, I'll say, and you'll be getting bumper returns. If you can see the engine coin which I had given the buy call on 9th of 6th month, and the third target got achieved at of 150 price on 23rd of 8th month, we'll be getting 53.00 returns, friends. That means any person who have invested like based upon my trading call, suppose if you have invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting 50,000 rupees. If you have invested 10,000 rupees, you'll be getting, sorry, 53,000 rupees you'll be getting, those who have invested 1 lakh, and those who have invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting 5,300 rupees. So it would have been like bumper stock. There are like so many stocks you can check here, like who got more than 30% returns also previously. The SpiceJet, for the second target itself, we are getting a percentage return of 31.14. And there is like, Tata Coffee, who which we got 28.33. So like you will be getting very good returns, friends, if you are following my like buy calls and all. If you can see the GoKick stock, we are getting 29.6% returns. PSSL stock, we are getting 24.61. Parimal Enterprise, we got 25.64% returns. So finally it's up to you, friends. Bye bye, and meet you all in the next upcoming videos, friends.